and cheer. Kind words help a friend feel near.
If I see someone feel small, I can help and stand up tall.
Kind words matter, yes they do. They can help and heal you too.
Please and thank you, you can play.
Kind words brighten every day.
Kind words matter, let's all say.
I choose kindness.